today's setup, I'm going to be using a Keitech minnow. Color is IU. It's a 4-inch minnow. I'm putting it on a 3/0 1/8 ounce Moaner hook. And we will see if we can catch any fish. Paired with a Ardent C400 reel, Bass Pro Shops Carbon Light medium 7-foot rod with 12-pound vicious fluorocarbon. We will see if this is a good combo today. Typically this IU color is really good, but we will see. I'm peppering that same area. He's got to hit it again. He eventually will. Oh, there he is. Oh, this is good. It's a medium rod, so I don't know if it's a good. I've got him foul hooked. Look at him. I got him foul hooked in his top. Oh, no, he's good. Exact same spot. I'll get him. Oh, got him. He's a little guy though. That's so funny. He choked it, dude. Absolutely choked it. I'll get him. Yeah, that's funny. Well, at least you know he has nothing to brag about. Just a little dinker. The fish. Whoa, dude. Oh my god, this is a monster, dude! Oh, this is a big fish! Oh my god! Right in his nose! Dude. Alright, I'm going to be using a Damiki Tremor 65. Tremor 65 from Damiki. A little lipless crankbait. We're actually using it on a Bass Pro Shops Carbon Light 7-foot medium action with a Ardent C400 reel, spooled up with 12-pound vicious fluorocarbon. We are going to see if we can catch any fish off this lipless crankbait by ripping it through the grass. See if we can get some reaction strikes. Hopefully, we can catch a couple fish. See what Damiki can do. Got one. Nice. Off a lipless. Yeah. The Damiki lipless. Right there. Nice. Good little chunker. Damiki Tremor 65. Good lipless bait. Thanks, fish. Woo! See you later, dude. Oh, yes. Another one. Yes. Another Damiki fish. Damiki fish. Man. Later, dude. Did you even lip him? Huh? Did you lip him? Oh! Oh! Oh, snapped your line. No. You had your line snap.